To learn any language in the universe, you just need to master 4 skills. 2 are called input skills, which are reading and listening. And we have output skills, which are speaking and writing. If there is a language in your mind that you want to learn, try listening on a regular basis through watching movies and talk shows. You will automatically pick new words and begin to grasp various sentences. And with time, you will be able to create your own sentences from the library you built in your memory. That's how you will improve your speaking skills and be able to communicate with others easily. The same goes for reading and writing. When you start reading articles, books, stories, and phrases, or just words from that language, you will be unconsciously attained with more vocabulary that will help you to write in that specific language and create your unique phrases. It's a simple process. Listen more, speak a lot. Read often, write more. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.